we're gonna have to do is open this.
Yeah. There is
Shut
a
up.
bird up on the top of my window here, and it's a black cap chickadee. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. My cats are going psycho right now. Poor thing.
You gotta figure out a way to catch it.
I know.
Try to figure this out.
It's not like it's a bat. Aww. That's what Omar would say. Give me keys.
It is not gonna be easy.
No, he's not. Oh my god.
Alright, babe, you gotta go outside.
This is really entertaining.
Come on, you gotta go outside. You can't stay in here.
Oh my god.
Don't give me that look.
My camera's shaking right now because I'm just like freaking out here because this is like the coolest thing in the world. There you go. Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Oh, I almost.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
No!
No!
Oh, he heard it.
Oh!
Harley.
You're a... Ooh.
I think he.
We got it. Harley, I can't believe you tried hurting it. Wow, that was quite entertaining. Oh my gosh. Wow. I can't believe that thing flew out the window.